एक बार फिर स्वागत है आपका चटपटी बातें आयुषी के साथ। टुडे वी विल टॉक अबाउट डू वी लर्न फ्रॉम फेलियर्स। डू वी लर्न फ्रॉम दैट फेलियर्स और वी जस्ट सिंपली मूव ऑन? डू वी लर्न अ लेसन फ्रॉम देम or we just sit idle? So let's see what happens. So basically I will tell you how to deal with that failures, what else we can do from either learning a lesson or simply moving on is an appropriate approach or not. So let's see. Our decisions which we take in our life don't always work out. Once we get a failure from something, we stop working or building ourselves for the situation, which is an inappropriate approach. Certainly, let's say when we go up for an interview, we get an offer letter. The best thing is the period between being offered and the start date. Later on, we regret it and we end up hating our job for which we were happy one day. So let's see what we can do from failures. First we can do is learning from experiences. Everyone makes mistake. No one is a born artist. Everyone learns at a very step of their life. The main point of mistakes is after committing the mistake, did we learn from it or we just simply moved on? Will you remember again why you hated that job, any experience you had or any family visit? Will you recall it or would commit the same mistake again? If something I am guilty at, I will not repeat that. So recently, while going with this podcast, I remember one incident of my life which I am going to share it with you all. Once in the unit test, I failed in the Sanskrit exam because Sanskrit was not my cup of tea. And before the result day, I demanded something from my father and he brought the same thing for me. On the result day, when I told my mother my hilarious result, she shouted on me badly and she told me that your father struggles a lot for you. Yesterday you demanded, and though he didn't have sufficient money, still he brought that for no other family member but for you. This was the first and the last time I failed in my exam because those words pinched my heart. So I learned from the mistake, and though the subject was not my cup of tea, I am repeating this, though the subject was not my cup of tea, but still for my parents and to give success to my parents' struggle, and next time I scored highest marks in that subject. Yes, you heard it right, I scored highest marks in Sanskrit exam. So get disheartened from your failures, stand up and learn from it. Once you will get disheartened, you will work upon it. जब आपके फेलियर होता है, जो आपके अंदर वो गुस्सा होता है, उस गुस्से को अपने अंदर रखो. Don't bust that anger out from you. क्योंकि जब वो गुस्सा आपके अंदर रहेगा, so it will develop more and more. It will grow more, which will make more efforts to perform it. Next we can do is admitting. It's difficult to accept our own mistakes. जब कोई और गलती करता है तो we easily give lectures to him. But when it comes to us, we don't realize. We just keep on banging the things. I always thought it would be an extraordinary experience studying in an only girls school or college. I used to admire my friends who used to study in an only girls school. The fun, the excitement, the bond, everything I used to admire. But the reality of studying in an only girls college was quite different from my expectations for a myriad of reasons. Yes, I am studying in an only girls college right now. So I know what the pain of studying in an only girls college is. When I returned to my hometown couple of months ago, one of my friends asked me, how are you liking over there? They just simply put a question on me. And I replied rudely. Enough rude it was. I don't like. And they instantly reminded me, it was your choice, I think. Seriously, it was an embarrassing moment for me to admit. In this era, nobody wants to be a quitter. But it's a part of life. You learn from mistakes, and slowly and gradually, before making any decision, you will think about. Once you will commit mistake, and once you will learn from the mistake, before making any decision, make a routine that you will think about it, what you are going to do, what you like, what you are good at, and what is bad for you. Once you will recognize it, you will start admitting to yourself. Life is too short to get trapped in those things you hate. Just think of a moment you are doing all those things that you hate in your life. Then what the purpose of living a life is? There is any purpose you think? Just think upon the questions I am telling you. What else you can do is pen it down. And after so many speed breakers, I learned to pen down my mistakes and experiences. You will be thinking, what are speed breakers? Yes, failures are the speed breakers in your life. If these speed breakers will not come, your life will be a total boredom. So enjoy all those failures that you have in your life and learn one lesson from that. And gradually I developed a feeling or experience of writing it down so that I don't repeat the same in the future. Because writing down is a proof and a reminder to yourself, or could say a small commitment to yourself. Once you commit yourself to something, like if you're committing a promise to someone, you will surely want to complete it, or when you will not complete it, you will feel guilt inside you. So a reminder of my emotions, decisions, feelings which I took in my past. So going down the same path again would be a foolish thing, so better to pen it down. Pen down everything you don't like, you are afraid of, etc. Even you can write what you like and find a perfect answer for yourself why you feel so. Then don't end up holding something, let it go for some of the situations. If you will hold every situation, it will be a stressful situation for all of you. Pen down doesn't mean you can change it. Of course, you have to change up your mind and thoughts. It's just that reading those experiences and mistakes will bring an instant flashback, and hopefully you will solve yourself and save yourself from blundering into a wrong decision again. I am repeating it again. Like if you will not pen it down, you will hardly remember it. If it would be a small failure in your life, you will hardly remember it. But if you will pen it down, surely you are going to open that diary when another failure come into your life, and you will feel that this is not an proper decision for me. So never step back from any situation. Think every experience is a new lesson in your life, and this will make you more strong. Be confident and never stop. Do follow me on all social media platforms: Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and Spotify with the name Scholar IU to keep yourself updated.